cockeyed. Well, we're gonna try to pick it anyway. So, Kenaurd. I believe a 5-pin. One side works better than the other. I don't know why. There we go. All right, here we go. Let's give this bad boy a pick. So this is a blind pick on one of these. I did the green belt 4-pin. Did that twice. Now we're gonna go after this 5-pin. So far I'm not getting anything. Makes me wonder about the tension. Never sets it right. Right pick? Yeah. Alright. Maybe because it's a little sideways, it's throwing me off here a little bit. Good. I think it's a good clip there. So this would be blue belt then. There we go, there's my click. Good click for sure. I believe that's probably the 5th pin. 3rd pin, good click. 4th pin, good click. 5th pin again. Nope, hopefully I don't ever set that now. I'll try to weasel my way back here. Might be a nice, another good click on the 3rd one maybe. Let's see here. Oh, another good click on the 2nd, maybe the 1st. Still figuring out those large pins. Since this is a pin and pin, that felt like an overset. Not that. Drop. Yeah, that was a good click. Core movement, good click. Let's get that guy here somehow. Another good click on 2 here. Sorry about the air conditioner blasting in the background. And I think I already set that, so let's tension bounce. We got our first pin back. There we go. I'm kind of heavy on the tension. I feel like, I don't know what it is, but so far every dimple lock that I've picked so far seems, oh, good click, seems to really like a heavy tension. Yeah, get a tension bounce here. Let's see if we can get it to go into. Okay. I'm not sure if that's our full set. There we go. That feels maybe like the full set. Let's see what happens here. I don't know, it's my first time picking this thing, so your guess is as good as mine. So maybe we're off the inner pins at this point. Not getting anything, so I'm wondering. Oh, wait. There's a good click. Not sure about that one. Obviously, I have no way of proving this is a blind pick. I opened the package, and if I know my little doodaddy here was gonna work so well, at least on the 4-pin, this one's a little bit of a struggle to get in. I would have tried to blind pick it right out of the box. I think that's a binder right there. Let's go get on him. Overset me. Yeah, I'm not getting much. Oh, wait. That's that guy. picking up any tension here. Not making it. Not sure what's going on there. But I might have to. Oh, there's a click. Okay. Pretty fine so far. There's a good click. And we're open. Bam. How long did I take? Oh, about 6 minutes or so. 6.5 by the time I got going. Okay, so blind pick on the Kenaurd. Oops.